This is Ruffin Hunt with Hunt Law, and today we'll be discussing the crime of domestic battery by strangulation in Florida. Section 784.041 of the Florida statutes reads as follows. A person commits domestic battery by strangulation if the person knowingly and intentionally, against the will of another, impedes the normal breathing or circulation of the blood of a family or household member or of a person with whom he or she is in a dating relationship, so as to create a risk of or cause great bodily harm by applying pressure on the throat or neck of the other person, or by blocking the nose or mouth of the other person. Domestic battery by strangulation is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in Florida State Prison and up to a $5,000 fine. To prove the crime of domestic battery by strangulation, the state must prove the following 3 elements beyond a reasonable doubt. 1. The defendant knowingly and intentionally impeded the normal breathing or circulation of blood of the victim against his or her will by applying pressure on the throat or neck of the victim or by blocking the nose or mouth of the victim. 2. In so doing, the defendant created a risk of great bodily harm or caused great bodily harm to the victim. And 3. The defendant was a family or household member of the victim or in a dating relationship with the victim. Family or household member means spouses, former spouses, persons related by blood or marriage, persons who are presently residing together as if a family, or who have resided together in the past as if a family, and persons who are parents of a child in common, regardless of whether they have been married. With the exception of persons who have a child in common, the family or household members must be currently residing or have in the past resided together in the same single dwelling unit. If you are arrested for domestic battery by strangulation, you can be held in custody without bond until you are brought in front of the first appearance court for admittance of bail under Section 741.2901 of the Florida statutes. If you've been charged with domestic battery by strangulation in the Tampa Bay area, call Hunt Law at 813-787-4849 for a free case consultation.